Good morning, class 12th for painting subject. Today we start our fourth description from Mughal miniature. Title is Falcon on a Bird Rest. Artist Ustad Mansoor. Period 1618 to 1620 AD. It is Jahangir's time. Medium tempera on paper, watercolor. School, Mughal School of Art. Description. This famous painting painted by Ustad Mansoor during Jahangir's time. He was a keen falconer and treasured fine specimens of falcons brought from different places. A superb falcon brought from Persia was killed by a cat. Jahangir's rare and excellent pet falcon. Jahangir asked his painter to paint his precious pet falcon to preserved in Jahangir Nama. Ustad Mansoor knew the fondness of emperor for his pet falcon. In this painting, a tamed falcon is sitting on a cushioned bird rest. On the bird rest, Nadir-ul-Asr is signed by Ustad Mansoor, who was awarded this title. The cruel eye of falcon can be seen in this painting. The falcon is painted in white against a yellow background with brown details of its folded wings. A sharp beak and round vigilant eyes is painted in brown and yellow ochre deep color. 3 words: Jahangir Padshah at the top, Bahari near the falcon, and Uttam on the bottom are written. Bahari means falcon and Uttam means excellent. Yes, children, this is falcon or a bird rest.